Matildas is a very nice place. It's owned by another Colombian good friend of mine. It's a Mexican place, concept from Tulum, Mexico. He traveled to Europe, he heard Void Acoustics, he fell in love with the brand. He called me because he knew that I work with Void, and I designed the sound system. And again, like once I turned it on, he was blown away by the way it sounds, and the place came out beautiful. It has a bohemian touch to it, and obviously we have to go with black to have its, you know, seamless. It's a good location right there on 5th in Washington in South Beach. South Beach has always been a beautiful place, you know, to go for the tourism. You know, it's throughout the whole year. It's like non-stop. You know, a lot of places that are doing pretty well. I've worked with other brands where I don't get the same support. Whenever it's other brands, it's not the same. It's not the same support. It's not the same, you know, same feeling, and obviously the same quality. It's just amazing.